In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create transparent text effects in GIMP. This tutorial is perfect for beginners who want to learn a neat trick to make their text stand out in creative projects. We'll be taking it step by step, making the process super easy to follow, so grab your computer, have GIMP open, and let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to choose the image or background you'd like to work with. This could be anything: a photo you've taken, a graphic design background, or even a solid color. Whatever will best highlight your transparent text effect. Once you've decided, go ahead and open it in GIMP. Simply launch the application, click on File in the top menu, and then select Open. Locate your image file and click Open once again. Your canvas is now ready and awaiting the magic touch of your artistic vision. Now let's add some text. Head over to the toolbar on the left side of your GIMP window and select the Text tool by clicking on the large letter A icon. With the Text tool active, click anywhere on your image where you'd like the text to appear, and a text box will open. Here you can type in your desired text and use the options in the toolbar to customize its font, size, and color to suit your project. Keep in mind that the color of the text is not important, since the effect we are about to apply will make it transparent. But it can help with visualizing the placement. With your text looking just the way you want, it's time to make it transparent. Right-click on the text layer in the Layers dialog to pull up a menu of options. From this menu, you'll want to find and select Alpha to Selection. What this does is create a selection outline around your text, capturing its exact shape. It's one of those nifty little GIMP features that's incredibly useful for making precise edits. Having successfully created the selection, we're now going to delete the inside of this selection to reveal transparency. This is where the magic happens. Ensure your text layer is selected in the Layers dialog, then press the Delete key on your keyboard. If everything has gone smoothly, you should see your background image appear through where the text once was, perfectly invisible, yet perfectly clear. If your background layer doesn't show, make sure that no other layers are obstructing the view and that your text layer is in fact selected. And there you have it. You've just created a transparent text effect with GIMP. It's a fantastic technique that you can use in various projects, whether for creative designs, interesting visuals, or simply to add a unique touch. Feel free to play around with different fonts and backgrounds to see what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and remember, happy editing!